Good morning, everyone. It's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing Associates, coming back to you with another Tuesday digital tips and tricks. Now, today I want to talk to you about something that is of critical importance, and that is protecting your business's online presence. Now, if you've never listened to a video before and never will again, make sure you hear this one because it seriously could protect your business. We all love our staff, and we hope that they stay with us forever. But we have seen many times with a number of clients where a staff member, maybe it's someone of a younger generation that is really great at social media, and the business owner allows that employee to set up all of their social media accounts. That's great, and that's exactly what we want them to do. But one thing that's of critical importance is to make sure that you have access to that business account. And when I mean access, I don't mean that you can just log in. I mean that you have to have the administrator level access. We've seen a lot of times where an employee has set up a business Facebook page, a LinkedIn page, a Google My Business. Maybe it's even a Google Ads account. And they are listed as the administrator. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you yourself, the business owner, are not also listed as an administrator and your employee moves on and then maybe they go off to college, maybe they change jobs, maybe they're on to bigger things that we're super proud of them about, but we can't get access now to what we need. We can't make adjustments to our Facebook page. We can't change business hours. We can't change who can post, who can advertise. We can't do any adjustment on our Google My Business listing. That's because you don't have administrator access. So I want to make sure that you sit down and think about who is doing this for you today and how do you get the access yourself. Now, you may be sitting there thinking, I don't even know what any of this stuff is. Well, ding, ding, you got a problem. So make sure that if you don't know how to access it, call us at Kerigan Marketing. You can visit us at keriganmarketing.com and we can help you with that. We want to make sure you have everything that you need to stay in business. We have seen on some occasions where those employees leaving didn't always leave on the best of terms, and they unfortunately ended up holding those social media accounts and those Google My Business accounts hostage. Recovering that information is extremely difficult. You have to prove, you have the burden of proof now on yourself to prove to Facebook that you are the rightful business owner and that you have to produce documents and tax records and business licenses and your ID, power bills to make sure and prove that you are the rightful owner of these accounts. And let me tell you, these processes are not quick at all. You could spend months trying to go through this. Some of you may think, well, I'll just set up another one. It doesn't work like that. You have your followers, you have your reviews, and all of that is tied hand in hand from one account online to another. So do yourself a favor and do it today. Find out who has access to every one of your online presence. I'm talking Google My Business, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Ads themselves, any other place that you are located online. It could be Yelp, it could be TripAdvisor. You need to know the logins and the passwords and make sure that you are also assigned to that. Did you know that a Facebook business page must be tied to an individual's Facebook page? If you had someone else set that up for you, it's not tied to yours. So we need to get that fixed right away to make sure that you are completely in control from here on out. Now, you can give this access to anyone else. Just make sure that you have it. If you need help, please contact me, Dana at Kerigan.com, and we will set you straight. It's a super fast process to handle this right now. Trying to do it on the back end, you're going to spend some time and some money getting it fixed. So thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.